Hey car fans, I'm Mike Berger with another CarSoup.com quick tip. Now it's a sad fact of life that if you own a car, you're probably going to have to jumpstart it at some point. But have you looked under the hood of your car lately? Good luck finding the battery. See, manufacturers are now shoving those batteries up in inaccessible locations. Now how do you jumpstart a car if you can't get to the battery? Well, you do it by using remote battery terminals, also called auxiliary battery terminals. Let me show you how. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're using a 2008 Chrysler Sebring as our vehicle with a dead battery. Now, because the battery on this car is positioned where you can't reach it, the car is outfitted with remote jump points. A positive jump point that's underneath a cover, and a negative jump point just off to the side. For our vehicle with the good battery, or what we call the donor vehicle, we're using a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now it also has remote jump points, a positive that's covered up here, and then a negative just further down the side. Now it doesn't matter if you don't own these specific vehicles. All vehicles that have remote jump points will have a configuration somewhat similar to these, and the process is exactly the same. Start by removing the cover from the positive remote terminal. Attach your red jumper cable to that positive terminal. Take the positive jumper cable and attach it to the positive terminal of the car with the good battery. Attach the negative jumper cable to the negative jump point of the car with the good battery. Finally, attach the black jumper cable to your ground point. Once you have those jumper cables hooked up, go ahead and start the car with the good battery. Let it run for about 5 minutes, and then start the car with the bad battery. Hopefully, the car will start right up and you'll be on your way. I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com, and we'll see you down the road.